I wanted to take a minute and show you the new Curvy Celebration products that are going to be available to customers starting November 3rd. So let's come down here and take a look. All right, so this is the Quite Curvy bundle. This is going to be available in the new January to June 2021 mini catalog. And this is going to be an early release that'll be available November 3rd to customers. This is the bundle. It is the Quite Curvy stamp set. It is a photopolymer stamp set. We got some cute birds, some leaves, some ivy, some pretty flowers. I think these kind of go this direction, and some really great statements and fonts. But they coordinate with these dies. So let me show you kind of what some of these dies do. So here is, this one is this pretty like leaf die, and it's kind of cool because it cuts out all these leaves, so you can have something show through the back, or you can glue the leaves back in. Then you get this really pretty lace one that comes through, and then there's this other one that takes out the dots on it. And both of these, the dots and the one with this pretty lace, leave this other edge. So these two kind of come together. So you can use these, one for the detail that they provide, but also for this cool curved edge. We also have these great leaves. But then here, whoops, turn it upside down. Here are the ones that match up with the dies. So here's those great vine leaves, the flowers, the birds, and then a couple of other little elements. So this is the Quite Curvy bundle. And again, these will be available in the new catalog, the January to June. During this special early release, you can only buy them together in a bundle. But in the catalog, you will be able to buy them individually. But during this Curvy Celebration, they also have a exclusive and limited time only Curvy Christmas stamp set. So these, feature some Christmas and holiday elements that then work with the curvy dies. So I love it when there's extra stamp sets to work with your dies. Just gives you more options. Also during this celebration is the classic Christmas Designer Series paper. So there are 4 papers. So you can see the patterns. So this is sort of the not anything special patterns. We got a cross, some dots, some stripes, some stars, and on the other side, a little more Christmassy. You get check patterns, some of the leaves, some pine leaves, and some Christmas trees. So they are in cherry cobbler. You get the same patterns in Sahara sand. And then again, the same pattern in, oh my goodness, where does it say? Which green? I think this is spruce. Let me look. Shaded spruce. So you will get 4 of each color. And then, so for a total of 48 6x6 papers. And during this celebration, you can get all of these in one mega called Quite Curvy Variety Bundle, and all of it is 10% off, not just the stamp set and die. So here are some important dates with the Curvy Celebration products. Through the month of October through November 2nd, all the Curvy Celebration products are available to demonstrators to pre-order individually, and they can also be added to a starter kit individually. Starting November 3rd through January 4th, all of the Curvy Celebration products will be available to customers to purchase, but the Quite Curvy stamp set and curvy die will only be available as a bundle. Then, January 4th to June 30th, the Quite Curvy stamp set and curvy dies will be available individually and as a bundle. The Curvy Christmas stamp set and the Classic Christmas DSP will no longer be available.